DC audio. This is Rusty Trombones. What is this? The XL? We're level, I'm going to say level 4. Level 4. I have no idea what the levels mean. Rusty does use this, so does Pioneer. This is a, it's string, it's kite string, but you can say it's a fiber reinforced. Sometimes they use different types of string or whatever, but you can get this done with like nylon, hemp, all kinds of weird shit. It's got a little bit of rubbing. This is just surface stuff, so it's not really that big a deal. But it's got a burnt, was it a burnt tinsel? Not that side. There we go. So it's got a little bit of wiggle wiggle, and then somebody kept running it with one voice coil. I don't know if you can see that focus in it. I just I put the old razor on here and then just traced, and it kind of creates a nice good thing. Like if you wanted to glue it back on, I don't. Somebody used CA to glue poly, which is, I think is terrible, but whatever. So it wore through. So, but now I got to go in there with the grinder and get down to where the lead terminates, and then I got to solder that, and then probably use hot glue, maybe a little bit of epoxy if I'm really feeling frisky, to patch that, and then feed it out to the terminal and redo it. So, and that's basically how you fix a burnt tinsel lead. So sometimes you're not lucky, or sometimes the woofer just kind of isn't worth your effort. But if you're in Thunderdome and you have no other options, then yeah, sure, it's great. So the other problem that you're going to run into, though, as you can see, these are probably just covered with, they're covered with paper pulp from the cone getting destroyed, but basically they're stitched to the top. So that's going to be an issue. And so we may just do a, what they call a free arc. And then I put a piece of, carpet, black carpet right there. So RE Audio, I think, still does it. RE Audio, who was originally the designer, I guess, on the first RE woofers, was Dan Wiggins from a Dyer. So he was the one that was showing them how to make them and how to recone them, and came up with that design. And basically, you just let the lead slap the back of the cone, but you just put a piece of carpet on there so you just can't hear it. So if they slap back there, does it matter? No, it doesn't really matter. If you hear it, yeah, it's gonna suck. So, and then these are like super cheapy New Way spiders out of Nogales, what it looks like. So that dye is pretty popular. But as far as, this is an expensive woofer though, so I would imagine they would do different spider. But Rusty makes good stuff. DC Audio. Is he out of, no, where is he out of? Is he out of California? I don't know. DC Audio, go there now. It's dcsoundlab.com. Yeah, check it out.